everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this pumpkin that I made for my Halloween blanket. For the written pattern and the materials list, you can find that in the description box below. If you're already on my blog, you can find all that information right underneath this video. To start, we're going to do a magic ring, chain up 1, and we're going to make 10 half double crochets into the ring. Once you have 10 half double crochets, go ahead and pull this tail end tight to close up the ring, and we're going to join to the first half double crochet, so that first chain stitch won't count. Chain up 1, and in this round we are going to make 2 half double crochets into each stitch around. So go ahead and make 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. By the time you end, you will have 20 stitches. Once you have all your stitches in, go ahead and join to the first half double crochet again. And for this last and final round of the pumpkin, we're going to chain up 2. We're going to double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to half double crochet around the circle until we get to the last 3 stitches, and there we will make double crochets in the last 3. So go ahead and half double crochet around until you have 3 stitches left in the round. So here I have 1, 2, 3 more stitches left to go in the round. So I am going to double crochet in those remaining 3 stitches. And now I'm going to slip stitch back into that same stitch and then fasten off. And leave a tail so you could sew the pumpkin onto your piece of crochet once you're finished. Now to make the stem, you'll need a little bit of green. Attach the yarn where you left off. Chain 3. We're going to make a treble crochet into that same stitch. Chain 3, and we are going to slip stitch into that next stitch right here. And then fasten off. And there's your little stem and your pumpkin. I do have a video to show you how to sew these appliques onto a piece of crochet. I'll link that down below. I also have the pattern for the granny square that I will link down below as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you enjoy crochet tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.